Welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadeva classes. Here is Standard 3 and this is the textbook of Standard 3 English Bala Bharati of English Medium. Today we are going to take your next lesson, that is sixth lesson. The name of the lesson is in a biscuit factory. Now students, we are going in a biscuit factory. The biscuit which you eat every day, almost every day. So the biscuit we eat every day almost, and the biscuit is most of the favorite. बरोबर आपल्या सर्वांना फेवरेट आहे बिस्किट, हमको सबको अच्छा लगता है. Now biscuit is what? Biscuit is so crisp and tasty. There are various types of biscuits and it is of it is crisp and tasty. We all love biscuit, you know very well, from the child to the elder one. We all love biscuit. We get different types of biscuits in a shop, in shops. They come in colorful packets. They are made in factory. The biscuits are made in factory. These biscuits are where made? They are made in factories. Now, but how are biscuits made in a factory? Let us find out. So we are going to find out and we are going to take a tour. It is called as a tour of the biscuit factory. We are going to take a tour of the biscuit factory. Chalo. So let's start. Now, the first step is to get a recipe. The first step is to get a recipe. Then next step is get the ingredients, things that go in a biscuit. First, make a recipe. Then second thing is that you have to make the list of the ingredients. क्या क्या लगने वाला है that go in a biscuit. So you have to think. Then the next step is what? Let's see. The next step is decide how much of each to use. And now next step is what? You have to decide कितना कितना उसका वे करके लेना है. So decide how much to use, how much to, just a minute. Yes. So you need to decide how much of each to use and weigh accordingly each ingredient. Weigh accordingly each ingredient. देखो यहाँ पे weigh करना है क्या क्या कितना चाहिए आपको. You have to weigh accordingly. Next step is that mix the things and make a dough. You have to mix the things and make a dough. डो तुम्हाला माहिती आहे, आपण त्याला चपाती बनवताना कसं आहे पीठ मळते त्याप्रमाणे. ओके, चपाती बनाते समय बनाते ना मम्मी ऐसा. सो यू हैव टू मेक अ डो. डो और डव जो भी है आप जैसे प्रोनाउंस करेंगे. नाउ नीड द नीड द आपण पीठ मळतो ना, लाइक दैट. नीड द डो हियर. There is a machine. Everything is done in a machine. Everything is done in a machine. Many few things are done by the done in manual manners. माणसं काही विशिष्ट गोष्टी करतात, काही बऱ्याच गोष्टी कंपनी होतं बघा, अशा कंपनीमध्ये असतात फॅक्टरीमध्ये. Then next step is what? We have to start from the bottom. Yes. Now you have to roll out. चपाती कशी आपण लाटतो ना, you have to roll out the dough. 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 Then you have to roll out the dough. See this one. हे बघा, दिसतं तुम्हाला? You have to roll out the dough. काय करायचं त्याला? लाटायचं. After that, what you need to do? After that, what you need to do? You have to cut the dough into biscuit shape. आता which biscuit you want, which type of biscuit you want, which shape you want. तर तुम्हाला बिस्किट काय करायचं? कट करायचं. You have to cut. See here, circular biscuits आहे, but many biscuits are rectangular. Some of the biscuits are square ones, right? So you can cut according to the shape you require, according to the shape you require. Then after that, what happens? These biscuits are baked. These are baked. See, bake the dough shapes in an oven. These biscuits are actually baked in an oven. In an oven, right? भट्टी मध्ये त्याला भाजलं जातं बघा. This is the bake. Now, after that, what happens? You have to check whether all the biscuits are well baked or not. Then cool the ready biscuits. You have to cool. You have to cool the biscuits, and then you have to cool the ready biscuits. After that, you have to see if the biscuits are done, that is properly baked or not. They are baked properly or not. They are done in manual manner. स्वतःच्या हाताने चेक करतात ते. आणि जर बिस्किट व्यवस्थित भाजलं असेल तर ठीक, नसेल तर ते बिस्किट डिस्कार्ड करतात. Then you have to pack the biscuit into packets. You have to pack the biscuit into packets, and then sent. The biscuits are sent into the store and sell the packets. Right? बिस्किट पॅकिंग होतं मस्त की पॅकिंग करतात अँड दे आर स्टोर. आता आपण तर बिस्किट कंपनीमध्ये जात नाही. वी डोंट गो इन अ बिस्किट कंपनी टू बाय द बिस्किट्स. वेअर डू वी गो इन अ नियर बाय शॉप. आपण कुठे जातो? जवळच्या एखाद्या शॉपमध्ये जातो. वी गो इन नियर बाय शॉप अँड वी गेट द बिस्किट देअर. राईट? सो स्टोर अँड सेल द पॅकेज. आपण दुकानात जातो त्या बरेच बिस्किट्स असतात. यू गो इन अ मॉल, देर आर मेनी बिस्किट्स. ते मॉलमध्ये जातात, डीमार्ट मध्ये जातात. यू कॅन सी मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ बिस्किट्स देअर. खूप वेगळे बिस्किट्स आहेत. राईट गाईज? So what can you do? Then there is another method given. There is another. Just a minute. There is a preparing a flow chart, drinking method. So the thing given to you, ही जी तुम्हाला दिली ना याला flow chart म्हणतात. It is known as flow chart, right? So you can write this flow chart one by one step. तुम्ही एका खाली एक लिहू शकता असं. There is सगळं. असं आहे तसं लिहायची गरज नाही. You can write one by one like this. You can write. Suppose what you did first, then असा एक arrow काढायचा. Then what you did next, then परत एक arrow काढायचा. what you did the next thing, त्याच्यानंतर काय केलं तुम्ही. लाईक दॅट यू कॅन मेक अन फ्लो चार्ट. असा एक फ्लो चार्ट तुम्ही बनवू शकता. गेटिंग? कसंही बनवा. मी सर्क्युलर केलं तुम्ही कसंही बनवू शकता. यू कॅन मेक असा समजा तुम्ही असं सुद्धा जाऊ शकता. वन बाय वन स्टेप असा वर्टिकल सुद्धा बनवू शकता तुम्ही. राईट? सो डू दिस and send me the biscuit factory or how the biscuit is made in a factory, a flowchart of that. Right? And after that we'll see Khashaba Jadhav in the next lesson.